But before we now really start, let's make one diagram that visualizes us this package structure here in a better way, and make sure, and so that we can also make sure that the packages are right connected to each other. To do so, we right click on our MBSE project. This is, by the way, one diagram of SysML, the package diagram. We select here add diagram, and here normally SysML should be selected. You can change this here when you click on this here, and then here on systems engineering. Okay, it's now not working. No. And here you see SysML, or you can change this in general. You see it, for example, here. You can click on that, and you can change here the perspective to SysML. You can, by the way, also do this here. There are several options to do so, and you see also that SysML is selected here. Okay, anyway, right click on our MBSE project view, add diagram. Here, make sure that the package diagram is selected here in the SysML perspective, and we name this model overview. There's one typo, overview. Press OK, and now we have created our first SysML diagram. Now let's bring in there the packages, and let's organize the packages. And to do so, just drag and drop into the diagram. And before the package is inserted or represented in the diagram view, we have to specify in which way. In that case, as package element. Now do the same for all other packages. Just simply via drag and drop, and all the same as package element. Let's move all of them into our diagram. Same for ports and flows. The requirements, the structure, the traces, and our model library. Perfect. Now let's connect them. This can be done, for example, because we have a relationship between package and activities. We have already shown this here in the model browser here in the model explorer, but now we also want to link them really. And to do so, we select the first activities package here, the arrow. We press it and hold the left mouse button and move the mouse to the behavior package, and here we release it. And then we are asked which type of relationship this is, and in that case it is nesting. So we select this, and we have created our first relationship. Let's do this for the other packages. We select the sequence packages, press this arrow here, hold the left mouse button, move the mouse into the behavior package, and there we release it. And again, it is nesting, and it is also for all the other packages nesting. So again, select states, left mouse button, hold it, move the mouse into behavior package, and release. Select nesting, and finally for the use case package, and nesting. Perfect. Now we select all those 4 packages here. You can just mark them. Then we go to layout here, and you see here some alignment functions, and we select here this one, the horizontal distribution, and one of them here, in that case this, so that we make sure they are all on the same line. Perfect. Now let's select one of those relationships here, right click, line style, and we select here the horizontal tree style. And it was the wrong. Okay, right click again. So of course the vertically. And when you press summon a diagram, this visualization error is automatically fixed by the tool. Perfect. Now let's select it again. And now we right click, apply line style. And here the first one. And we click on that. And so all the other lines have the same line style. Now let's do the same here for the ports and flows. Oh, okay, when this happened, I pressed the wrong kind of relationship. Just select it, right click and delete connector. We are asked here, should it just be hidden or completely delete out of the model? In that case, we do not need this kind of item flow here, which is, by the way, not really right. Delete it completely from the model. Again, select it, click this arrow here, and hold the mouse pressed and release it when you are in the other package. Then make sure we select nesting and do this for the other package as well. Nesting. Again, we select here one of our lines, apply line style, and so this also now looks a little bit better. Perfect. Now let's organize those a little bit here. Perfect. And this is now our first SysML diagram, the package diagram, which is, by the way, not a diagram that contains some technical content or some content that describes the model. It is a diagram that helps us to organize our model. So this is an additional view of our model structure, which we also see here in the model browser. But depending on the size of the model, those diagrams can be really helpful. Okay, make sure to save it. Press Command S or right click here and save. For example, save all. And that's it. Now let's continue with the next diagram.